Hello everyone, welcome back to day 3 of SQL series. Today is a big step forward because we are going to write our first SQL code. So in this video, what we will learn? We will learn writing SQL code and creating database, creating table and inserting data, okay? So for creating database, there is a command which is create database and database name, okay? For example, if Amazon launching a new store system, for that Amazon needs a new database for that system. Okay, and before creating the database, first we need to understand what is database. So a database is a collection of organized data that can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Okay, so start writing with creating a new database, creating a database. Okay, so what we will write, create, using create we will create a database and a table. Okay, create database like online underscore store. And wait, I think I have a database name there, so I'm just going to create a store. Okay, so here the database created which have the name is store. Now what we have to do after creating the database, we need to use the database. Okay, for further query analysis. So for using the database, we will use and database name colon. This is the command, and this tells SQL to switch to create a database. Okay, like use store. So this tells SQL that I want to work within a store database, just like choosing a specific Google sheet to edit inside your Google Drive. Okay. After this, what we will learn, we are going to use creating a table. So for creating a table, before going to creating a table, just understand what is create or what is table. Okay. So in DML, we use like, sorry, uh, before DML, we have to understand about what is table. So a table is a structure within a database that stores data in row and column format. Okay. Like any retail system that have tables like products, customer, orders, and payment. Okay. So the command is create table product. This is the table name. And there is column product ID. We will write in this. Okay. Example like say, it is similar to Amazon or Flipkart product catalog. So just start with writing creating our first table. So what we have to do, create and table, and table name is, we are going to create products. Okay. We need a space in after this, like product ID. Then after this, we have to write, we have to specify the data type of this product ID. So the data type is int. Okay. And let's make it a primary key. Okay. Then separate by comma. After that, what we are going to create a product name. Column name is product name. Product, wait, product underscore name. And let's make the product name in character. So we will use varchar for this varchar, and just set the character value like 100. I'm going to make it 100 and just separate this. Then category. Okay, category, let's make it same varchar, and just and give the memory as 50. Then I'm going to create the price of the product. So price, I'm taking it as decimal, like float. So decimal, and giving the size is 10 comma 2, sorry, 10 and another is in stock, like this is the product is in stock or not, so make it boolean. Okay, and after that just close it and run this code. So now what you have did, you guys have created your first table in SQL. Okay, and this define a table to store product listing, like Flipkart. Okay, now after creating table, what we have to do, we have to just insert record in the table. So which command we are going to use, we are going to use insert into product values. Okay, like products like wireless mouse, yoga mat, which is available in the store. Okay, and this is real world example, so let's insert the value in the table product. Okay, we will what we have just make it as it is. Okay, there is two way to insert values in table in MySQL. Okay, so how we can choose, we can use like insert into product products. Okay, and then what we have to just write this, and just copying it and put it here and make it separated by comma, then category, then price, and then this is in stock or out of stock. Okay, then after that just close the bracket, and then we are going to this in this method what we have to do, we have to just write the column name to insert values. Okay, after that what we have to do, we are just going to add values. Okay, values like one for primary key, like product ID, and Bluetooth speaker, and the category is electronics. Okay, and the price is like just to use 2000.9. Okay, and then in stock or out of stock, let make it in stock. Okay, and just close the bracket and colon, and yeah, what you have did, you guys have inserted a row in your table. Okay, this is the one method like to insert values. There is another method to insert values in your table. Just start inserting that way. So in this is way in sort way to insert values, like insert into products, then values. In this method we are not just we are not going to write the column name. Okay, and then to primary key, and yoga mat. Okay, comma, this is the category is fitness, make the price is 500 5000 and 0. just make it, and this is out of stock. Make it out of stock. So same thing, make it for third one. You can insert many values. Mm, 3, like in third one, like copy, and the category is stay stationary. Okay, and make the price is 100 for the copy, and make it true. Like this is in stock. And what is the problem in this? Just let me know. Yeah, I have just forgot to write the separate by comma and just run it. Okay. So what you have did, you have inserted the values in your product table. Okay. So what next? How to retrieve data? So using select command, select, you can retrieve your data. Okay, from the table. This like what is select command? So the select command is a part of dquery, like data query language. Okay, it is used to fetch data from one or more tables. Okay, and you select to give all inserted record. You can see all inserted record, and this is used to report and dashboard analytics. So just use select to see your data. Okay, so just I'm going to select. We are going to use a star for all the data. Select all from products. Okay, and here you can see product ID 123 and Bluetooth speaker electronics, and this is all. So basically, SQL take true as one and zero as false for in stock or out of stock. Okay, so let's move to the next. What is the real world use cases of these things, like creating database? You can create database for inventory system or for store, for any. Okay, creating table is very important thing after creating database, because in this you will store your data. And inserting data, after creating table you need to store data. Okay, to retrieve all the data, and for retrieving you will use select. Okay, so what you have learned in this video, you guys have learned what is database and how to create database, what is table and how to create table, and how to insert data into table, and how to retrieve data. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this video.